Okay guys, I want to show you what I've done here to reinforce this canopy. This is a 10 by 10. Might be a little smoky because I'm smoking some meat at the moment. But I did three things. Well, the first thing I did was add 1/2 inch steel conduit along here. And this is to brace those bars so that they won't flex very much. They can still flex just a little bit, but they're pretty strong. So if you get any water in here, it won't collapse. The other thing I did was I cut some PVC pipe, a 1/2 inch, and slid these pool noodles over it, drilled a hole in there to slide the pool noodle over and put a zip tie in, and I drilled a hole at the very top to connect each of these 1/2 inch PVC pieces. And the third thing I did, as you can see, is I put folded a pool noodle into a V, punched a hole in it, and zip tied it in. And the whole point of this is that now not only can the canopy not hold water, but even if it does begin to hold a little bit of water, it just simply can't bend enough to it won't hold very much water is what I'm trying to say. So pretty much that's it, and it works really well. We've had a couple of really good storms that have dumped a lot of water very quickly, and all of it has just rolled right off. None of it has stayed very long, and it's actually worked really well. We usually go through these canopies pretty quickly, usually a year or two, and this has proven to work really well. So I hope this helps you guys. It's pretty inexpensive. The pool noodles you can get at any store for about $1. I think it was under $3 a piece for this 1/2 inch conduit, and then had the zip ties already, and then it was a couple bucks for a 10-foot stick of this PVC pipe, and so that's secured really well. And like I said, this is really just adding a little rigidity to your frame, so that these open wide spaces won't hold water, and it works really well. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you do, give it a like, thumbs up, and share it. Thanks so much. Take care. Well guys, right after I shot that last video, we ended up getting a pretty decent little rainstorm here, so I wanted to show you how it works. The added pressure on the bottom side of those pool noodles help the well, now the rain's going away, but anyway, helps the canopy to stick out a little bit, which increases the incline, which helps all the water to roll off. So it's very difficult to even get any of it to pool. I've been trying and trying. I used the water hose even earlier, and you just can't get hardly any water to pool up on this thing because of the modifications we made underneath that keeps the water to roll off. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.